Hi, in this video we are just going to see about the topics regarding ministry, who are the real heroes of India as well. So let us go into the slide. We have total of 57 ministries in it. So we will go step by step. I have displayed 20 ministries first. This video will help all the citizens of India, especially UPSC aspirants, all the government based exams. It will be helpful for your current affairs. Following that, it will help all the professional friends and who is searching jobs as well. So let us go into the video. So after seeing this, you will have a holistic idea of the ministry. So let us go into it. So Ministry of Finance. In Ministry of Finance, we have we will move on with Act. What we have Indian Stamp Act 1899, we have Insurance Act 1938, we have Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Following this, we have Contingency Fund of in Act 1950, Finance Commission Act 1951. So following this, we have websites like BSc, NSC, BE, BSE, PSU, My Government, e-hospital and everything else, Department of Expenditure, Department of Financial Service, Department of Revenue. This is the websites which I just googled when I was searching in the Ministry of Finance portal. So following this, we have other acts like Small Industry Development of India Act 1989, Securities Exchange Board of India Act 1992, we have Export and Import Bank of India Act 1981. Following this, I have given a collage of Ministry of Finance for your better understanding. Following this, we'll go into the Ministry of Defense. In this, I have given act like I have taken everything from the Indian code as well as from other useful websites. Act has been like Indian Reserve Force Act 1888, Army Act 1950, Navy Act 1957, following that Coast Guard Act 1978. Following this, we have websites like Department of Ex-Servicemen Welfare, Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Indian Navy. Likewise, we have lot of websites, and I have given the collage of Ministry of Defense as well. So moving on with the Ministry of Textile, we have act like the Central Silk Board Act 1948, we have Sikh Textile Undertakings Act 1974, we have National Institute of Fashion Technology Act 2006. Following this, we have websites like Textile Committee, Indian Handloom Brand, National Jute Boards, we have Textile Samiksha. These will help all type of citizens to know about different careers as well as different types of opportunities available in future. So I have given the collage for Ministry of Textile. You can just see in it, and as well you can just check it out in the Ministry of Textile portal as well. So moving on with the Department of Atomic Energy, we have act like Atomic Energy Act 1996, we have Atomic and Energies Arbitration Procedure Act 1983. Following this, we'll go with the website what is available in it. For example, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Tata Memorial Center, Bharat Atomic Research Center, Indira Gandhi for Atomic Research. I have given more website link, link as well. You can just see in it and you can just Google it for your own benefit. I have given the collage as well for Department of Atomic Energy. Following this, we'll go with the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is a very important home affairs where you have all types of Armed Force Special Power Act 1958, Arms Act 1959, we have Passport Entry into India Act. Everything will be coming into these home affairs itself. Not only this, we have lot more. For example, we have Terrorist Affected Area Special Codes Act 1984, Delhi Police Act 1978. This all acts helps to run the home affairs. This is the function of home affairs actually. So we have Protection of Human Rights Act And following that, we have lot more acts. I have displayed a lot. You can just see in it. If not, you can just search in the Ministry of Home Affairs portal as well. So we will go into the service portals like for example, National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, Police Service Medal, Badma Award Portal. We have Border Area Development Programming. Following this, we have some other important act, like as I earlier told you, Police Act 1861 is available. This also comes under the Home Affairs. Then following that, we have Central Reserve Police Act 1949. I have given the collage of the ministry as a display. You can just see it. And following this, I have given a separate collage of state police as well as union territory police to make sure you are awareness that we have lot of portals where you can complain online. You can register your complaints. You can anything. It is like you can apply for any type of status checking, FIR status, or you can just missing things or anything, a child missing or abuse or anything, sexual harassment, whatever it may be. You can just complete directly to the portals available wherever you are in India. So this was the best thing. Then following this, we have Ministry of Home Affairs for especially for Indian Police Service, IPS. Then following this, we have Central Armed Police like Assam Rifles, Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security, Central Reserve Police, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, National Security Guard, and Shastra Seema Pal. So we have like these also a small branch of Ministry of Home Affairs. Following this, I have collage of Central Bureau of Investigation, Northeastern Police Academy, Northeastern we have Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel portal as well, Lok Nayak. Everything is being displayed in website. You can just see it. If not, you can just Google it directly into the Ministry of Home Affairs itself. So I have given other slide like where you can get right to information, something forms, etc. I have given it, and especially we can get license, arms license online itself. Based on the procedure and eligibility, you can just apply as well. So following this, we have other important portals like Private Security Agency Regulation Act 2005 as well. It also comes under a branch of Ministry of Home Affairs. So following this, we'll go into the Ministry of Education. We have acts like University Grants Commission Act 1956, which is prevailing in India. And following this, we have Indira Gandhi National Open University Act 1985, where it runs based on these acts. And following that, we have other acts like School of Planning and Architecture Act 2014. According to this, the school should be constructed without violating the acts. Following this, we have other college which follow these type of act. We have Arovali Foundation Rules 1997, and following this, we have Central Education Institution Reservation Admission Act 2006, which helps the reservation or economically backward kids to have their education in easy manner. So following this, I got a few other important information, like I saw fundamental rights, directive principles, fundamental duties, like panchayat, municipality, scheduled and tribal areas, relation between the union list, state list, concurrent list. So these were available in the portal as well, Ministry of Education portal. Plus we had official language, which is in the Constitution. So I have given the a small website which will be useful for you. So UGC, NCERT, then following that we have e-greetings, e-Shampad, we have National Digital Library of India. This will be helpful for all the kids. Following that, we have e-Pathashala. You have lot of videos regarding a subject. It will be helpful each and every child in your home. So following that, we have Central Institute of Educational Technology. These are the website, and have given the collage as well.